Did you know the real power of the American dollar isn't just money, it's control over the entire world? Billions of dollars are printed every single day, yet it's still considered the most powerful currency on Earth. And the most shocking part?
The dollar is killing us!
If America wants, it can shake the economy of almost any country using the dollar alone.
Sell everything!
But that's not even the real secret. The real game happens behind the scenes. In today's video, we're exposing hidden truths about the US dollar that most people have never heard before.
Excellent.
Make sure you watch till the end, because the final fact will completely blow your mind.
Roger.
Check container 7B on the manifest.
It matches the bill of lading. We are clear.
The flow rate on line 3 is dropping.
I see it. Adjusting the regulator now. The eye is set.
Check the density on the collar. We need to ensure the anti-counterfeiting measures are secure.
Right away.
The depth is perfect on this section. Excellent, excellent. Just need to check the cheekbone texture. Dimensions are 0.103 on the first. Wait, the machine is red. Deviation detected. Remeasuring now.
Convoy is exiting the facility. All barriers retracted. Drones, confirm outer perimeter sweep.
Seal number 49er confirmed. Here are the keys, Mr. Rodriguez.
Roger that, ma'am. Logging the departure time now.
Here is your receipt, sir. Thank you for banking with us.
Thank you.
Here are your $100 notes, sir.
Thank you.
Sister, can you take a look at this bill for me?
Yes, it is fine.
The deposit is complete. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.